Hey everyone, welcome back to another video. In this video, we'll be comparing Freevee with Prime Video. So let's get right into it. Starting with Freevee, it is completely free with ads and is almost on most devices, including Fire TV and Prime Video app. It has a solid selection of movies, TV shows, and Freevee originals, but there are no latest blockbusters. If we talk about ads and pricing, Freevee is 100% free, but it is supported by ads as most of its earnings are based on your ads. Now, starting talking about the different users, Freevee is best for casual viewers who don't mind ads and want free content. Comparing Freevee with Prime Video basically requires an Amazon Prime subscription, which offers ad-free streaming, downloads, and premium features. If you talk about the content library, it offers new releases, exclusives, Amazon Originals, and even live sports. Ads and pricing are basically it costs around $5.99 per month, as you can see over here, or you can also start your free trial for your month, and it goes up to $14.99 per month, which includes no ads unless you opt for the cheaper ad supported program. So with that, if you compare both of these, I would say that Prime Video is best for those people who want premium movies, shows, and Amazon exclusives, whereas Freevee is best for one who prefer free ad-supported content without a subscription. And with that, I hope this video was helpful for you. Thank you so much for watching.